Should we get ice cream?
Okay.
Ice cream car.
Sharing, right?
I want the. Let me see. I want the classic. I want this one. Up to you.
I'm scared. Can I actually get whatever I want?
You got this. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, I didn't know.
That's what I said exactly when we were in the car.
I didn't hear that.
You didn't hear that?
No, because you're speaking under your breath. You're like,
That's crazy. Thank you. Oh.
it looks like.
They said it's chocolate. It's Hong Kong. It's an ice cream bar you can find in Hong Kong. It's crazy resort in Vancouver. If it goes around in Hong Kong, it has the music too.
Oh, really?
So everyone knows that if the car goes by. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. Hey, come back. Cheers.
You're sitting next to me, a bottle on the sand. We take a sip so carefully, and watch the waves expand.
Why are you acting cool?
I'm sweating.
He doesn't want to share with me.
What? You have your own.
No. Because you don't want to share with me. That's why I get mad. You said what about the chocolate? What do you say about the chocolate?
Not that strong.
What about the vanilla?
Normal.
They're not too strong either.
It's not that sweet.
Honestly, it's not too sweet.
I'm just waiting until my stomach starts rumbling.
Not too sweet. Do you not see the meme? You never see the meme? They're not too sweet. Oh my god, I should show you right now.
You're taking some.
Just eat it.